Hi friends, welcome to MiniatureDiecast. Today we are going to unbox this fantastic looking Hot Wheels. The legendary 95 Mazda RX-7 in dark blue paint job from Hot Wheels J-Imports series. This one is from 2024 NKs. Let's unbox this fabulous Hot Wheels car. Crafted in Japan, the Mazda RX-7 is a legend on wheels, known for its striking design and electrifying performance. So the first impression of this car is so good. It's looking very eye-catchy in this dark blue color. In front section of this car, we can see pop-up headlights details and indicators. This stickering on both sides is also looking good. Paint quality is decent. This black interior looks nice with plastic glass. The whole body is made of metal. Interior and chassis is made of plastic. Wheels are looking good with this white rims. Now let's look at the chassis. We can see drive shaft and exhaust pipe detailings, made in Malaysia and car name. Wow, we can see in back of the car, Mazda logo and RX-7 badging. Headlight detailings is looking so good. Here you can see the dual exhaust pipe detailing. Now let's do a roll test of this car wheels. Excellent. Wheels are rolling very smooth. That's all it for today. Friends, hope you enjoyed this car unboxing video. Then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more fantastic unboxing like this.